Speaking at the one-day lecture with the title Work Against Building and Infrastructural Collapse, the chairman Institute of Civil Engineers Damaturu chapter, Engineer Kabiru Haruna Damagum says there are numerous issues of building and infrastructural collapse in the country. Hence, the need to organize the work concurrently nationwide to sensitize the public on the dangers of not following the set of procedures in building works.
As we can see, when you look all over the country, not only in Yobe State, there is so many incidents of this building and other infrastructural collapse like bridges. So the chapter, which is a member of the national body of the institution, decided to carry out this so as to sensitize the whole public and our engineers also, so that this building collapse will have a situation whereby it will not continue like that.
Damagum advises the public to always employ qualified and professional engineers and other workers in building and infrastructural works to curtail the menace of building collapse, which at times claims many lives and properties in the country.
Anybody who is going to have a building, be it privately or government owned, there is a set out procedure whereby correct and qualified engineers should be employed. If somebody who does not have the knowledge of structures or other professional building work is being taken as somebody who is to carry out the work, there is going to be a problem. So although any engineer also considers cost, because most of the people, because of the cost, they will go for somebody who is a quack. But even an engineer, when you look at his training, he normally makes sure that that cost-wise is also taken in place. So I'm calling on anybody who is going to have a structure, not only building, to consider a qualified engineer, civil engineer or other workers so that they carry out the work correctly.
Also speaking, a legal practitioner, A.S. Muhammad, and engineer Zaji Bunu, call on the civil engineers to always adhere to their professional standard in carrying out their assigned duties in order not to implicate themselves in case of any eventuality.
Advice to them is that, sincerely speaking, as professionals, we have a very serious problem because we know the technical aspects. But our clients who are non-professionals will insist that they want it this way or that way. So it is your job as a professional to insist that even though you are the one supplying the money, it is your property, but my profession states that I cannot use a 10mm rod where I am supposed to use a 20mm rod. Just because the building belongs to you, the life of the people that may eventually be affected in case of any collapse does not belong to you. So you tell him in black and white that no, we have, as a professionals, we have a code. As lawyers, we do have two. So it is mandatory that professionals should stick to their professional callings.
Our number is small, and also when we take placards inside the town, it may even lead to certain problems and will not be understood. So we ask them, will you allow us to organize a lecture on the same topic? They said, okay, yes, go ahead. So we now arrange this topic so as to bring out and publicize the dangers, the causes, and who are to be involved if a building collapse happens. So it is coming from the Nigeria Institution of Civil Engineers.
On his part, a member of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Engineer Aliyu Sabo, applauded the institute for coming up with this idea, hoping that it would yield a positive result.
Yes, it's a good organization because with this, people will be so aware of what is happening, so that corrections can be taken anytime soon. This division, that is the Civil Engineering Division, is a division under the umbrella of the Major Society of Engineers. They are in charge of all the building structures and whatever. With this organization, in fact, like in my own comment, I say that this lecture is even better than walking the streets. Or that if we walk the street, we have gotten this knowledge. So it's a welcome development. Many corrections will be taken by the grace of God.
The event featured paper presentation on the dangers of building an infrastructural collapse and ways of mitigating them. Babagana Ibrahim reporting for YTV News.